All right, Miss Doris, just stay nice and loose for me, okay?
I'm trying,
A
honey.
little pressure and...
Oh, that's
Good. Just one more. All right? You took the brunt of it.
Bist du bereit?
All right, this should fix the lower back issues, ma'am. Here we go.
ouch! My knickers hurt.
Woo! And that's how you do it!
All right, Miss June, just breathe for me. I've got you.
I'm ready, dear.
Here we go. And pressure.
Oh, that was hot.
Perfect.
Oh,
Whoa!
Lord have
You
mercy.
okay?
Thanks so.
Bist du bereit?
Ja.
Gut, dann los. Jetzt ist der Rücken eingerenkt.
Oh, tatsächlich fühlt sich besser an.